This channel has crossed 1,000 subscribers, and now it's my turn to give back to you and say thank you for being here, thank you for sharing, thank you for watching, thank you for trying the designs. So let's get to the prizes. Most of these prizes are coming out of my spread shop, which is a new little venture where I have created some designs to celebrate loving rock painting. I love the phrase kindness rocks because rocks can be a noun representing the rocks that we paint, or it can be a verb representing that kindness rocks. These are my designs, but it'll be shipped directly to you. And a pause for full transparency, I'm not trying to get rich off this venture, but when I love something, I want to shout it from the rooftops, and you might want to too. So if you don't happen to win, but you love the design, they're here for you, and I've kept the prices as close to cost as possible. Anything additional goes back into supporting the channel. Now let's look at the grand prize. First, an apron for when you paint or when you cook. Next, some vinyl stickers. You can put them on a water bottle, on a notebook, whatever you would want to put them on to show your love of kindness rocks. A 7mm Posca paint pen for fine line detail, and a neon mandala that I'll put a special message on for you. To enter the giveaway, leave a comment on this video explaining why you started rock painting. If you haven't started rock painting yet, leave a comment about what might make you start. The winner will be selected with a random generator during a live stream on July 25th, 2021. Make sure to click above to set your reminder for the live stream. Best of luck, and from the bottom of my heart, thanks for being here.